guys, welcome back to my channel. As you have already guessed from the title, today's video is going to be a super easy 5 minutes makeup tutorial, especially for video conferencing, which you can do for work from home, school, college and office. As every one of us are working from home now, and I do think it is essential that whenever you are presenting yourself in a video conference, you should look your best and feel your best. So let me just share with you a very easy and fast makeup tutorial right before you join your video conference, which you can do in just 5 minutes and using only free products. That's right, using free products only. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, so down there is a little red button called subscribe. You just have to hit it once to my channel, and if you do find this video very helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. For this video, what I'm going to use only 3 products, as you have already seen. Like I have already said that. So I'm going to use my Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 03. So let me just show you. Sorry. I have chosen shade number 03 because for the yellow toned concealer, and it does not make your feel very cakey. It's a light one, but it is full coverage, medium to full coverage, and it is buildable. So let me just take it in. Okay, so I'm not going to apply like smother all over my face with this concealer. I'm going to do spot conceal, where I only need to highlight when I'm in the video conference, and I only need to show that I'm alive. Like there is no dark patches, or even if we do have some dark patches, so we won't be, in a video conference it won't be very much visible. So let me just do my spot conceal. I hope you can see here. And this is my bare naked face, and it's totally normal if you have pimple or acne or whatever you call it, adult acne. So it's quite normal. Most of us have that. Just spot conceal, guys. Nothing more. I'm going to apply a little bit on the bridge of the nose, just in order to make it more highlighted. And all the spots that I have on my face because of adult acne. Oh, I did forget to mention that I have already washed my face, and I have already put on my moisturizer, which I use daily. So that would be, I guess, a Derma one. I've forgotten where I kept it. Hang on, I'll show you. So this is the moisturizer that I have used. So, and 2 dots towards the inner corner of my eyes and 2 dots towards the outer corner of my eyes. You don't really need an orange corrector for this look, because it will just make your look more, cakey. And it's not heavy makeup. You will be on a video conference after all, and you don't have to meet the people. So you don't need to put on a lot of makeup for this. And now I'm going to blend this out using my fingers only. I'm not going to take my beauty blender or any brush. Do not forget your eyelids. It's just for highlighting your face and nothing more. It will help your face, it will help you make you look like you're alive and you have slept well and you're not tired, because that's what matters. And so just let us brighten up under eyes. I have a whole lot of dark circles over here, so do not want to make my dark circles, to be prominent in front of a lot of people. I'm blending my bridge of the nose, and I am not going to do any contouring because it's only a very easy, fast and cheap, of course, because let me just mention the price for this Swiss Beauty concealer. It is, I guess it's around 250 or maybe 350 rupees, in between that range, so it's quite affordable for a lot of people. You can definitely use anything else than this concealer. You can use your regular foundation, or just take a Q-tip and dip it in your foundation and apply as I have shown you. So just spot concealer. I'm just dabbing over my spots. I'm not doing anything else. I'm not spreading it or swiping it with my fingers. I'm just dabbing over my spots so that they are a bit, 50% hidden. I'm guessing that it will be, because this concealer will be in a medium. Most of you will find it in a medium to full coverage section. So it's up to you how much coverage you want. You can definitely build it up as much as you like. And I guess that's pretty much done for this side of my face. Let me just blend the rest of it. So I guess that's pretty much it, and let me just show you, let us just move forward with our second product, that is product number 2, which is nothing other than the very famous Maybelline New York Baby Lips Bright Out Loud. Let me just show you. I guess it's visible, and I'm using the color Pink a lot because I do like this color. I have another one which is called something of a corally color, but I do not use it quite often. I'll just use it on my lips. Oh, just wanted to inform you, this contains some kind of menthol maybe in it, a little bit of menthol. That's why you will get a minty feeling on your lips whenever you're applying it. And if you want to highlight your, eyes, or your, use it as a blush, you can definitely do it, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to apply it in a very small quantity and then blend it out as much as I want. This is just to make sure that you have enough warmth in your face and you're alive during the meeting and you look a bit more prominent, a little bit more vibrant. So that's what, when you apply a blush on your face, that's what makes you look in front of other people. And let us move forward. Oh, hang on a second. I see, and you can really, apply a little bit more concealer if you want. So I can feel like whenever I was applying the blush, a little bit of spot was visible because I swiped my face. So do not forget, you don't have to swipe your face when you're using your fingers or even your beauty blender. You just have to apply any product in dabbing motion. So you just have to dab it on the spots and blend it out. But the most important is the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Kajal in Super Black. Let me just show you. So this is the one. This is not the regular one. I do use the regular one, which comes in a yellow packaging, but I like this one more because it has, I don't know, it has more pigments in it and it lasts more and it is smudge proof. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my third product for this look and just apply towards the outer corner of my eyes and drag it till half. I'm not going to overdo it like total lower waterline, but I'm just going to do it from the outer corner till the half of my eyes, where my pupil is, where my iris is. That's it. And that's it for this side. And you will find that it automatically uplifts your eyes, but you do not feel like your eyes have become very small compared to your rest of the face, or your eyes have just come out alive. So that's what our agenda is today. You just have to make yourself look more vibrant and alive whenever you're presenting yourself in front of so many people in the virtual conference or the meeting. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So that's pretty much my makeup. That's all you need, only 3 products. That's it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll just show you my final look. I'll just turn from this to this side. And I hope you do this makeup and you rock your video conference and your video presentation. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.